Are you looking to pick up a new skill without breaking the bank? Whether it's coding, graphic design, video editing, digital marketing, cooking, or even public speaking, you don't need to spend a fortune on expensive courses. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 online platforms where you can learn amazing new skills for free. Let's dive right in. First on our list is Coursera. Coursera offers a massive library of courses in business, technology, arts, and even personal growth. Imagine learning directly from institutions like Stanford, Yale, or Harvard, all at no cost. The subjects range from programming and data analysis to photography and creative writing. Whatever your interest, Coursera has something for you. Getting started is simple. Just sign up for a free account, browse their extensive catalog, and choose a course. While many classes have an option for paid certificates, you can access all the lectures, readings, and assignments for free by selecting the audit option. This way, you'll still get all the knowledge without paying a dime. For example, if you've ever wanted to dive into coding, Coursera offers the hugely popular Programming for Everybody course by the University of Michigan. It's beginner-friendly and perfect for anyone new to coding. Coursera stands out with its interactive approach. Courses include video lectures, assignments, and quizzes to help reinforce your learning. The best part? Coursera provides structured learning with real-world applications, all taught by industry experts and university professors. It's perfect for anyone seeking to upskill or start a new career path, all without spending a cent. Next is edX. edX is another powerhouse for free online learning. Like Coursera, edX partners with leading institutions such as MIT, Berkeley, and Microsoft to provide courses in various fields, including science, engineering, humanities, and more. Signing up is easy, and once you've created an account, you can search for free courses in your area of interest. You can audit courses for free, which gives you access to video lectures, readings, and assignments. For example, you can explore courses like CS50's Introduction to Computer Science from Harvard or Entrepreneurship in Emerging Economies, also by Harvard. Many courses are self-paced, so you can learn at your convenience. Plus, you have the option to upgrade for a certificate if you ever need it for your career. edX is perfect for those looking for a blend of theoretical and practical learning experiences. Third on the list is Skillshare, a platform that's known for its creative and business-focused courses. Skillshare offers thousands of classes in areas like graphic design, photography, writing, and productivity. While there's a paid membership option, the platform also has a free tier with plenty of valuable classes. To access free classes, you'll need to create a free account. Once you're logged in, search for free courses or check out their featured classes. For example, you can take free courses on digital marketing basics, creative writing essentials, or photography for beginners. Each class includes video lessons, projects, and downloadable resources. The creative focus makes it especially appealing to artists, designers, and entrepreneurs. Skillshare is ideal for individuals who prefer short, project-based courses that deliver practical results. Next up is YouTube. YouTube is a global hub of knowledge, offering free video content from creators all over the world. Whether you're interested in learning a new language, coding, graphic design, cooking, or even diving into AI and digital marketing, you'll find thousands of videos tailored to your needs. For example, if you're interested in graphic design, check out channels like Satori Graphics or The Future. Want to learn coding? FreeCodeCamp and Traversy Media have you covered. For cooking enthusiasts, channels like Tasty and Babish Culinary Universe offer step-by-step recipes for all skill levels. Interested in AI and tech? Look no further than Tech with Tim or CentDex. And if you're diving into digital marketing, Neil Patel and HubSpot provide in-depth guides and strategies to level up your marketing game. And finally, we have Khan Academy. Khan Academy, a platform that's all about making education accessible to everyone. Everywhere, Khan Academy covers a broad range of topics, from math and science to finance and art history. It's great for students of all ages, as well as adults who want to brush up on their skills or learn something entirely new. You don't even need to sign up to access the content. But creating an account helps track your progress. Simply choose a topic, and you'll get access to engaging video tutorials, practice exercises, and assessments. For instance, you can learn personal finance topics like budgeting or dive into computer programming with their JavaScript tutorials. The platform's interactive exercises make it easy to retain what you learn. Plus, their detailed progress tracking motivates you to keep going. Khan Academy is ideal for individuals who prefer learning through step-by-step instruction and practical exercises. And there you have it, the top 5 platforms for learning new skills without paying a dime. Which platform are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!